to Tech Ralph here again. Right, we're going to do a rebuild on this new Xbox that I got. I left that from last time. Yeah. Right, what I need to decide is what goes where and how. Now, the case for the new one was a black one. It did not... It was broke on the front and on the top, so they obviously couldn't be used. So what my idea was, is put the new board in, my old absolutely knackered one, but it's still got a good base case and fan. There was everything else wrong with this one that I'd basically put it all together and thought, stuff it, get rid of it as parts. And to be honest, it wouldn't work anyway. The power supply was knackered. This board was the first one that I used and broke. The DVD drive was knackered. So basically the whole lot, apart from what you see here, actually worked. So here's my base. I could use the black. There was a black top. That was the only thing that could actually work. Now, honest opinion. No. See, the thing is that it's not a majorly good. It's not a bad top now. Now, but get it good clean. There was crud everywhere, all over this. Still could do a little bit more, but that wants to heat the shield, the RF shield putting in. But I'm not entirely sure about that, you know. And I thought about spraying this. If I can. Where's the other one? I can use the original top for this, but my crystal was knackered and it's rolling the film a lot. So I think we'll decide that at the end, you know. So let's get on with building this up. Now I've just dismantled this and one of these were inside it. Now can you tell which one it is? Because I can, because that's all crap. And that's burned. Oops. Doesn't look much damage, to be honest, but it's quite essential that I've killed this. So on the pile it goes. So this is the new one. I've not chipped this one yet. I might just leave it as is for the time being. I think I've got a chip for this. So the good thing about these, they were very interchangeable. The fan, I've already cleaned that one up from before, so at least I haven't got a faff with that. What's not going in here? Come on, you dingbat. Why isn't this going on? Right, what's stopping it? That wasn't down. I must have pulled it out of the way. Gotta be careful on this, because anything like that would really have killed this. That was about around there. Might have took that off. Anything else on? Yes. So in an angle. Get the ports out the back. That's better. And find all your screws. So these are all the black ones. So one goes in there. In 1 second. One screw there. That's the wrong screw. So these gold screws want to go in. Thank you, Tom. One in the middle there. One in the middle there. I mustn't forget this one in the top corner here. Nearly lost it. One of the magnets dropped off, with the fan being close to it. We need to find a better way. Get a better magnetic screwdriver. One down here. Another one there. Really is a lot of screws for no reason. middle here. Now I have a lot of screws here because I've got 2 in pieces at the minute. In fact, my original crystal one is actually still a little bit in pieces because I want to do the hard drive on that. And maybe have to be next month's project. Right. That's not one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That looks about right. That's going to be okay. That's fine. Extra ports, I don't really need them just yet. Right, power supply. Ending first. Let me in. Right, I've got 2 screws needed here. One at the back. Damn it. Double damn it. Nice and awkward. Just picturing myself electrocute myself again, like I usually do. Different power supply, this one. These parts across there. Oh, I just realised there's something wrong there. Power supply doesn't go in exactly like that. It needs to slide under these plastic bits at the side there. So let's screw back out again. Goes in at the back, then slides under. See, it's underneath those there now. Let's apply it on one. I forgot where I put my second screw. I'll use a different one. In it goes. Done. Right. These are USBs, but they're the controller ports. So 3 and 4 controller ports there. Come on, there you go. Front panel controller there with the yellows. Controller port 1 and 2 to the side. Done. Out of the way because that's for the DVD. Power supply in. Done. Right. Next, drives. Oh, hold on. Fan. There we go. Next, drives. Right. I have a drive caddy. That one does go in first. I put that one down there. It goes that way around as well. It doesn't. It goes that way around. How does that go up there? So it goes down there. Right. Cables. Now I have plenty of cables that came with the other one with filthy, so I'm going to use the one that come out of the other one. So that wants to go in there, like so. Use a brown cable, why not? Can't get these mixed up. One's got extra row of cables than the other. So if you got it wrong, then you're obviously a moron. Thank you. So, shouldn't really do that straight away, to be honest, that one, because I need to put the drive on. Now I have the reconditioned Samsung drive, which is great. It wants to be connected into there anyway, just slots in place. But I'm going to take the front off this. Now, you pull out and lift, pull back and lift, and that slides off the old one. So that one was knackered. I think I have repaired this one, but I'm not using it. I don't want to. I know that one does work pretty well. Let's put that over there. That will just slide onto place from the top down. That doesn't feel that secure, that. It's not in. Oh, hello. I've knackered the, oh no, it's alright. to push it in place. I think there is actually a bit that's broken off in there, but there doesn't seem to be too much affecting it at the moment. Worst case, I might put some hot glue on there and see if I can use that on it, but let's get that out. That just clicks into place. Cable on in the back, power supply in around the back. Come on, oh, wrong way around. Come on, one way or the other. Oh, come on. There we go. Right, so that's in, that's on. Power supplies there. Yada yada. Done. Sorted. Hard drive. And this was the one that came out of the crystal one, the knackered crystal one, and I can't be bothered to change over for what came out of the original board. I shouldn't really need to. So, cable through there, push this down so it rests in place. There will be a screw going in there eventually, but not at the moment. I can't be, well, that wasn't on place either. Good. So, in, on, under, wrap, round, and in. Hold on 1 second. Is this to go in? The ID cable there, and that just slots underneath there. Power supply in. Right. Time to roll the camera. Now what I can do, on the black one, I might take this off here. They don't really have a green gem on these, so I'll have to do something with this, try and get that out. I tried doing something with that one and it just completely destroyed it. So I think a green on top of a silver top would be quite good actually. I wouldn't mind trying to get that off, making it clear again, which just means a lot of cleaning on the top. I think that's just dirt on there. But I have no option because the other one is absolutely knackered. Let me try something. Now it makes it look thinner. But let's try. Let's try and see if this thing will work then. So everything's in there. I don't know. I'm not convinced, so it's not going to stay. Simple as. Right. I want the control for the telly. Needs to go on AV2. Power supply go in there. Everything's done. Everything's on. And let's see if this now will work. Power on. Power on. Oh, for the heavy one. Aha. Okay, we have a fault. CD tray works. Maybe it is just a case of that is not formatted. So let's try swapping the drive out to what was originally in. So I might have already reformatted this hard drive. So alright, that's swapped over now. Supplies in, that's okay. Done, happy, entirely. Right, so power on. I'll just press eject. Yeah, just a hard drive, not swapping over. So I'll do that now. So I'll take that one out of the CAD, put this one in, and we'll be done. Hard drive swapped, everything in place, screws are in as Well, so that's done with. I think I'm going to go with a full clear system because it looks better, I think, to that black on top. So we've basically just swapped out the motherboard on this one. Powers up, drive. That'll do. I think it wobbles because it's at an angle. There's a little bit of an angle. Yeah. Okay. Green lights on the front. Let's have a look on the what was in the memory. Yeah, this is the one that comes with the hard drive. Can I format this? I'll format a hard drive. I've got that through that all the time. Yeah, that's fine. Done. Working. Happy. Sorted. One. Yeah, I need to do something about this. I'll be back in a few minutes. So, problem solved. Got the gem off the other one. Clean it all up. There you go. We've got a completely clear. I don't even know if the other one's got clear on it or not. Oh, it's silver backed. Oh, that camera just doesn't like this, is it? So yeah, completely clear. Not perfect, but neither is this. So it all works and all done. So I'm going to stick that on. There's no point you hanging around. That is my third Xbox. This is as near. This is untouched, this one. I'm going to leave this one as it is. Don't want to do any more with it. Really happy because it all works. Oh, good. I'm just going to stick that in place and we're done. So thanks for watching. I've really enjoyed this. It's been a quick Xbox, quicker than what it has been before. And I've got lots of spare pieces left over just in case. I've not got a full set, but hey ho, I've got another Crystal Xbox left. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, as it says here. And follow me on social media, links are down below in the description. And I'll see you next time for another video. Bye bye. Voila.